I'm at Hensley Lake. I was fishing down there for about 20 minutes. I didn't catch anything, so I'm gonna change location. I'm gonna try fishing in this area, see if I'll catch anything. There's some people fishing down there. The thing I don't like about this area, the sun is up there. I'm gonna be getting sunburned. I've been fishing out here for at least 1 hour. I haven't caught anything. I have a feeling I'm not gonna catch anything today. I'm gonna see if I could get access behind those rock right there, and I'll try to get over there, see if there's a good spot for fishing, because I'm not catching anything over here. Here's that place I was talking about. I'm gonna go see if there's any good spot over here for fishing. Damn, it doesn't look like it's not a good site. I'm still thinking if I should go down there or not. I was fishing right over there where my finger's pointing earlier. If I go down there, I might just waste my time. I don't think I'll be catching anything. The water looks too dark. I'm gonna go lock my car up and I'll go check it out. But I gotta move my car closer to the fishing spot so I don't have to walk so far. I'll park here. First, I'm gonna go check out if there's a good fishing spot down there. If there is, I'll come back up here and get my stuff. if you ever come out here at places like this, you gotta be careful. You might fall if you're not careful. Actually, if you're not a professional like me, you should not be coming out here. Doesn't look like there's any fish. Damn, I'm deciding if I should even waste my time. Yeah, I'm not gonna even waste my time coming fishing here. Go back up. I changed my mind. I'm gonna go give it a try. Cause I have a feeling, I think there might be bluegill over here. I was thinking about leaving, but I saw some people back there with bucket and they went down to the river. It's not a river, they went down to the lake. So I'm assuming there gotta be a lot of fish if they're bringing bucket. And since I'm already here, I'm gonna just give it a try. Hoping I'll get a bluegill. And for this one, someone left their trash there. It wasn't me, I don't know who it was. For this one, I'm gonna be using, I can try to get a largemouth bass. Okay, I moved to a location about 100 feet or maybe 100, yeah, about 100 feet away. This is a small area, so if there's no bluegill here, then I have no idea where those damn bluegill are at. I just cast the bait out there with Nightcrawler, so let's see if I'll catch any bluegill or not. I'm not gonna catch anything, so I gotta pack up and leave. There's fish in there, but I didn't catch anything.